Hey guys, just want to say thanks. We're at 385 subscribers. We're almost at 400, which is absolutely crazy because I think I just made a video of us hitting, or of basically almost hitting 300 subs like a couple days ago, which is nuts. I got 85 subscribers in like 2 or 3 days. I don't really remember when I last posted the video, but it wasn't that long ago. But just wanted to say thank you guys. Like again, I'm like super surprised I got more than one subscriber. To be honest, I didn't think it was gonna keep growing like this. Hopefully, it goes up to 1,000, because that's when I start getting paid, and that's when I can start using that money to make more money. But yeah, if you guys know anybody that would like this channel, I mean, feel free to share it, or my TikTok. Those are my only two social media platforms for this. I don't think I'm gonna make any more just because it takes too much time to kind of keep up with everything, and unless I have like 100,000 subscribers and I'm making like some sort of money on YouTube, then I can like hire somebody. But other than that, like, nah, dude, like I'll stick to YouTube and I'll stick to TikTok and I'll keep it simple. But thank you guys. Thank you for for the continuous support and for following me and for the subscribers. I think it's absolutely insane that I'm even at 385 when I thought that getting one was just crazy. So yeah, thanks guys. Have a great day.